So this is a quick run through of the sort of mind maps that you'll be able to create as a consequence of completing this course. You'll learn to do quick sketch black and white mind map. A few examples here. They don't need to be perfect. They're just mapping out very quickly in black and white things that we wish to remember. But we'll also learn the effective use of colour for mind mapping, and here are some examples. Now, colour on a mind map is not there just to beautify. In fact, their main function is to help the important concepts stand out from the background. That's a mind map there of a summary of a book, and this is a mind map of a holiday. Now we can make quick mind maps, and you'll be able to make quick mind maps for summarizing books or articles and for making notes. And you can do these with or without color. Here's one that's a summary of a university course on managing projects in simple black and white. And here are a couple of TED Talks that have been very simply mapped out using the mind mapping technique. Importantly, you'll also learn how and why certain diagrams are not mind maps because they disregard certain important principles. So here's some. None of these are mind maps, although people on the internet will often describe them as mind maps. They disregard certain of the principles, so cannot really be called mind maps, and they're certainly not as effective as a proper mind map. And finally, to help you achieve success as a mind mapper, well, there's lots of practice activities throughout the course designed to help you step by step develop all the essential skills that you'll require. And you can ask for personalized feedback on the mind maps you create as a result of taking this course. And you can ask questions at any time and expect a response from me, usually within 48 hours, and most responses are within 8 hours.